G, A, B, C sharp. Now where your through normally goes, you're going to put your 1 there instead. Continuing, we have 2 for E, F sharp, half step, 1 on the E string for A, 2 for B, C sharp, and 4 for D. Now, if you could leave me a comment and let me know if this is crazily hard, let me know. I'll definitely break it down. If not, I'm going to continue with what we're doing. This is a 4 and that's a D. Okay, so we're on the 5th measure. Okay, ready, go. So D, C sharp, B, A. Now in this version, we stay in 3rd position. So now I'm bringing my 4th finger over to the A string for G, and then 3rd finger touches F sharp, 2 for E, 1 for D. And then it says shift. So now we put our 2nd finger for C sharp, B. This has a 4, but it's not a big deal if you do open A, G, F sharp, E, D. Good. All right, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp. Now you can shift here. 1 for D, 2 for E, whole step, 3, half step, G, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. So 5th measure, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp. So you kind of have to reach for that. Full step down. Oh, whoops, I didn't shift down. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's why I didn't describe it last time. Sorry, let's go back to this D. It says 1. So 1 for D. Now shift down. 2 for regular C sharp. B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. So I think my bow got thrown off because on the way up, I repeated the D, which is one way to do the scale, but kind of incorrect for what's written here. Okay, so I'm going to slur 2 notes at a time. And if you're not ready for that, that's perfectly fine. And by the way, there is another way to shift on this, right? And that is to shift here on this A as the first shift that you do. And I feel like that's a bit easier. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to do that this time. And so we're going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and shift on the A. Ready? From the beginning of D major. I'll slur 2. You don't have to. Ready? Go. Shift. So then, like, again, you could shift here. If you were more advanced, you could do this in other positions, like 3rd position, 2nd position, 4th position. There's a lot of ways that you can make this an exercise that's suitable for you, like practicing vibrato as you're doing this, you know. So really, you can take these scales and do so many things with them, and that's what I want to show you over time with these open office hours, so that you have variety, you have fun things to do with it. But granted, tonight's not that fun. I do want to get a good basic practice in. Okay, so now let's go to the minor. So in D natural minor, we have no sharps and we have 1 flat, and that is B flat. So that means that this F here, that's an F natural. And it means that this F over here, again, F natural. So I'll go ahead and do the shifting that the author suggests, which is on this D. And let's not forget that this B is flat, so it's a low 1. And let's not forget that this 2 is a B, and that's also a flat, B flat. Okay? Here we go. You can check your, oh no, I'm going to do open D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. D natural, minor. F natural, G. A, B flat, C. And then we'll shift here. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, G. I really stretched that out, sorry. D, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. Shift, C, B flat. This is a 4, but it's not a big deal. We did open there. G, F, E. Okay, let's do that again. And let me, like, if you can leave a comment, that'd be awesome, because I'm trying out this new streaming service, so I would like to know if that's even possible. I know we're playing, so it's kind of conflicting, but hopefully you can do that if possible. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, F, G, A, E flat, C. I'll do the other shifting. So 3, E, F, and I can shift here. 1, half step, full step, full step. 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, with that other version of shifting, I could shift here. 2. Well, 1. Let's do it again. I'll do 2 to a bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do this shifting again. Thanks, Facebook user. That's how it shows up on the screen. Apparently there's some permissions thing. Thank you. Okay, I don't know if that's going to come off. I hope it does. All right, but let's do that again. And does this ever come off? Oh, hi. There we go. Okay. And this time I'm going to, no, sorry, we're going to go to harmonic minor, because if you have that, you are ready for the next one. Harmonic, there are 3 types of minor scales. Terrible, I know, right? We just did natural minor. This is kind of the default minor, basically. But these other ones are absolutely used. So the next one, I'll just leave them all on the screen, I guess. But the next one is harmonic minor. So this is the same as natural minor, but 7th note of the scale, also called the 7th. So the 7th of D is the same as saying the 7th note of the D scale is sharped. So that's a verb. It's sharped. It's raised by half a step. So what was a C natural before is now a C sharp. Okay, so we're going to do the same as this, except we're just going to do a C sharp. It's going to sound pretty cool, pretty exotic. It's pretty fun. Here we go. So let's measure 17, D harmonic minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So B flat, low 1, and high 2. I guess I'll shift here. 2, 3, 4. B flat, C sharp. Pretty cool, right? so B flat, G, F, E, D, C sharp, B flat, A, G. I realize if I'm going to do this live stream, I should probably put the fingering that I think should be the number one for the day, but I didn't do that, so my apologies. But now I'm going to do the way I talked about, which I feel is a bit easier, which is kind of shifting at the last minute or the last possible time that I think it's safe to shift. And that's on this A, which I talked about on the earlier scale, on the major. So let's do that. It's first position, then third position. Ready? 1, 2, harmonic 3, 4. Sharp. Shift. Cool. Now, I do want to let you know about a little secret here. My secret is you can go to YouTube. I'm going to do that right now. And you can type in something like D minor. In fact, I'm going to say D harmonic minor just to see if it comes up. D harmonic minor backing track. And then you get to play to something cool. So I'm just going to click on the first one. It says heavy rock, backing track, D harmonic minor. I like rock, so
anything that I needed.
What do I have to lose? Just a few seconds on an ad because I did not prepare. Because I like doing things impromptu. It's so much more fun. That's why I'm doing this at all. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this person. Chess music. Oh, it's already on. Right, okay. Ooh, this is interesting. So this makes me want to go like D, E, F, G, but that might be a little bit too fast for you. D, E, E, E. That's what I'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Harmonic minor. G. A. C sharp. You can shift now. Honestly, out of rhythm. A, G, F, or E flat, A, G, E. You can just kind of add those rhythms in. So, hope you like that. It's so much more fun to practice scales, to stuff like that. So, let's try to not be biased towards rock. Let's go with, Latin jazz rock. Sorry, but okay, Latin. This is Latin? Really? Progressive rock. Yeah, let me a little bit slower. Here we go. Ready? Go. Let's have a rhythm. way down. Ready? Go. Alright, just ended on D. So if you ever want to be more dramatic and in a higher version, so we're in D, right? So at the end of the scale, the last note is D. So it sounds done when we hit D. So what happens if I wail on an upper octave of D? You know, this is F. Or like, actually, maybe I should wait longer. So I'll do the open D and then I'll hit the high D. And then it kind of gives a sense of finality. It's one way anyway. When in doubt, end on the note that is the key. But if you're playing canon in D, when in doubt, whenever the bride hits the altar, you know what you do? Just play D. Just stop and play D. Because that's what key is in. So when you end on that, it sounds resolved, right? All right, guys. So I could keep going. Music's really fun. But we'll call it a day on that. I just want to give a tiny little warm up. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you liked that. Maybe that was your first time playing in third position. In which case, let me know how you did. Leave a comment. I don't know if you can like a video if I put it up through this way, through the streaming service. Probably after, though. Do that if you liked it. I'm going to leave them up. So honestly, you can share them. As long as it has my name on it, NYC Violin Studio, I'm happy. In fact, speaking of which, that is my website. I keep forgetting to put it in descriptions of these things, but definitely feel free to check that out. And have a group class coming up. We're going to do a lot more of this stuff. That's starting on February 2nd. So go to my website, find out all about that, and I'll see you, I guess, tomorrow. Maybe I should just